Greetings, AcePreps here, and today I'm going to show you how to open a folding knife really quickly. So for this you will need a knife with a thumb stud, so this thing which assists in opening the knife. A hole would work as well. I'm using a Tech 3012, which is actually quite cheap knife, but it works really well for the price. So for this you will be actually doing two motions at the same time. The first one is this movement of the thumb, so pushing up and around here. The second one is a wrist flick. So at the same time, done very slowly, it would look like this. So if done quickly, just push up the knife, and right about here, from the wrist flick, it will move by itself and just lock in. So if done quickly, it looks like this. And you can use this for self-defense, because, for example, if you feel endangered, you can just pull at the knife and you already have it in a combat grip. Or you can use it to impress friends or something, or just for fun, or also just for convenience, so if you want to pull at a knife one-handedly really quickly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my channel if you want to see more videos. Subscribe, like, favorite, share, comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Greetings, AcePreps here, and today I'm going to show you how to open. Greetings, AcePreps here, and today I'm going to show you how to open a folding knife really quickly. That